Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you art testnet. Okay, that has going to be massive. So in order to join here, you need to go through it and you need to do everyday answer. I do share everyday answer. If you don't found it, if you want to get this answer, please do join our Telegram channel for just checking out the description box. Okay, so as simple as that. So first, how you need to do, you need to find out the link where you will be found out in the pin post. Okay, check out pin post and go through it, and that page will be bring you in here. Okay, so here how do you need to do, you need to definitely connect your wallet in here. So it is now in Bangla. So anyhow, I'm just going through the quiz. So go through this quiz, and here what you will do is artist quiz. Okay, just it will be start very soon. Just click the start button, it will be immediately start. Okay, so I'm clicking on there already. So I'm selecting Baushi, and a lot of stuff is going on here. Wrong answer, fuck up. I'm fuck up in here. So Jian Dakian, I'm just trying to answer it as much as possible. Okay, Uru, and a lot of stuff is going on. So I already know the answer. What would be the answer? Okay, just stay with me. I'm just showing you. Okay, this one is this one. Okay, Kevin Kels King Wang He was Guan Luang. This one. Okay, and now we will, what do we do? We will claim 5x boost, 5x point we will get. So therefore I need to go in the Polygon Mainnet. Okay, and little bit fee needed, but they will not cut your fee, they will just cut, you need to just have this. Okay, this little bit fee needed in here to done it properly. So I'm just claim it. Okay, 225 point I claimed. Probably straightforward way. So now if I go current price, same way you need to do. Okay, today's challenge is not available. I'm just click on there and I'm just trying to answer this. Okay, I'm just trying to answer this as much fast as possible. Okay, this and this, I would say. Time up. This and this. And this and this. I'm trying to answer it. This and this. And this and this. Just stay with me and getting answer, check the description box. Pretty straightforward. I'm just showing you this and this, this and this, this and this. 59,000, 59,000 nowhere. This and this. Bam. So now claim it, claim extra point. Your members will be notified by it. Just simply confirm and 200 point is claimed. Now this point would be converted into money later on. Just do it. Okay, I'm going to go market size and I'm start doing it. 61, 60 billion, and 165, no, 800. Okay, time up. Fucked up. As much fast as possible, you need to give answer. Okay, never wait until it's being done. Okay, this one will be probably this one. I don't know. Sometimes I get wrong. If we probably this is 66.2, this start this and this 36, 36, 36. There is no 36. This one probably 2.1, 2.1, 2.1, 2.1. Okay, and then claim the point. Just do it here, and then you claim 200 points. You claim 200 points in 225 points in here. You claim as well 225 points in here. So pretty simple and straightforward. So in order to getting answer, come to our Telegram channel. In Telegram channel, you will find everything about us, everything about airdrop testnet. Just join here and do the airdrop. Okay.